2019 Exam 2 Matrices Question 1. Okay, most people chose matrices last year as a module, and so it's probably likely that the majority of people are going to do matrices again. Our first question is, what is the order of matrix Q? Here's Q. We've got 1, 2, 3 rows, and we've got 2 columns, so it is a 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Some people still seem to get the things mixed up with rows and columns, but 1 in 20 kids couldn't get that right. Next one is write down a calculation to show that 110 packet spaces are full. So if you look at the full column, you're just summing those. So it is 50 plus 20 plus 40, which equals 110. And you could have done it with matrices, which is 1, 1, 1, a summing matrix times 50, 20, 40, like that. Probably a bit neater, though it might be nice. There we go. But you didn't need to do that. You could just done 50 plus 20 plus 40 to show that it equals 110. And the next one is asking the total parking fee in dollars collected from these 110 parking spaces if their parking winner is calculated by doing P times L equals 207. L is a 3 by 1. Write down the matrix L. Well, a 3 by 1 is one of those. And if you look at these things, you can see that it's going to be that 50, 20, 40. It is the column matrix that comes from that, because obviously only the full parking spaces are the ones that are charged money, not the empty ones. Okay, now we need to do, we've got a matrix R, and we need to do R transpose. You can put it on your calculator, but basically what happens is that the row becomes the column. That's all that happens. So we go 3, 1, 1, 6, 10, 3, 22, 7, 10, and 19, 2, 26. And that's all you have to do. And if you look at that, about 3/4 of people could do that. So that's not too bad. Where people came unstuck was explain what row 3, column 2 of matrix RT represents. Well, if you've transposed the rows and columns, you've done the same thing with the labels. So this is A, B, C, which is the area. And these are the hours, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's the hours. So now all you have to look at is row 3, which is this one, and then column 2, which is this one. So you're looking at this number. And so you're basically looking at the cars parked in area C for 2 hours. So cars parked at C for 2 hours, because that's what the labeling tells us. And only half of the kids could get that right.